Hey guys, welcome to the third lecture of the chapter Poverty in India. Today we are going to see the causes of poverty. That means why the poverty exists. What are the reasons behind the poverty that we are going to see today. So let us start. First reason, population explosion. See what is happening is there is rapid growth of population, and due to this rapidly growing population there is shortage of basic facilities. People are unable to get good facilities because the population is rising. Since the number of people using the facilities is more, and due to that there is shortage of facilities, people don't get enough facilities, and due to which there is widespread poverty in the society. So first and foremost reason is population explosion. Second is slow economic growth. Both the sectors, in the rural areas, that is in the agricultural sector, as well as mainly in the cities, in the industrial sector, both these sectors are growing very slowly, and hence the growth rate of this agricultural as well as industrial sector does not match with the rising population, and due to this people are unable to find job opportunities, as a result of which there is less growth rate of national income as well as per capita income, and due to the less income over the years but natural, this results in poverty. People live in poor conditions because their income is less, and as a result of this there is low standard of living among the people. Since they have less income, their standard of living is also low, they can't upgrade to the standard of living. So we learned 2 points: population explosion and slow economic growth. Now, third, very important, the root cause of poverty is unemployment and underemployment. Since there is unemployment as well as underemployment prevailing in the society, due to this people have lack of income, and lack of income is nothing but poor condition, which results in poverty in the rural as well as in the urban area. So this is the main cause actually. Then comes inflation. Fourth point is inflation. Inflation means mehengai. Inflation refers to a continuous rise in the price level of essential commodities, especially the food items. See what happens is, if the food items prices rise, at the same time we have also seen there is population explosion. Due to population explosion or growing population, there is more demand for the food items. Demand is growing day by day, whereas there is insufficient supply, because supply can't increase to that speed. Supply is as it is. So due to insufficient supply and rising demand for the food items, what happens is there is tremendous price rise. That means prices rise, too much price rise. So there is inflation, सब कुछ महंगा हो जाता है, and as a result of inflation poor people are again unable to buy these goods. This reduces their purchasing power. Here I would like to give you one simple example. What is purchasing power? If supposingly you don't know, please try to understand from the example. Simple and short example I am giving. Suppose a particular commodity X, its price was 20 rupees, and a poor person was having 100 rupee income. Then he was able to buy 5 units because per unit price was 20. Now supposing there is inflation in the economy, price rise takes place, and the price of the commodity has risen from 20 to 25. Now the price of that same X commodity is 25, and poor person again having same income 100 rupees. So now the person is able to buy only 4 units. I hope you understand. Earlier when the price was 20 rupees, person was buying 5 units, and now the price has risen, price is 25 rupee per unit. So the poor person is able to buy only 4 units. That means there is fall in his purchasing power. His purchasing power has reduced. I hope you got the concept. So with this reduced purchasing power, the poor people become still poorer. That's my point, which I have explained in point number 4 on the board, inflation. Next, point number 5, inaccessible infrastructural facilities. That means people can't get, they don't have access, they can't reach to those infrastructural facilities. What happens is, due to less income, Poor people don't get access to the infrastructural facilities such as energy, transport, health, education, communication, and because of which, see, they are not getting good health facilities, medical facilities. Due to lack of income, they are unable to enjoy the transport facilities provided, and due to all these factors, this further results in their increased poverty. The poverty rises, though they don't get good facilities. As a result, they suffer, and here the poverty rises. This increases poverty. So up till now we finished 5 points. Causes of poverty. First one, population explosion. Second, slow economic growth. Third, unemployment and underemployment. Fourth, very important, inflation. Fifth, inaccessible infrastructural facilities. And sixth one, regional imbalances. That means some states are highly developed, some states are less developed. That is regional imbalances. Different regions have different conditions, status. See, let us see the point. States such as Orissa, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, such states, they lag behind in terms of economic development. And since there is less economic development, people have less sources of income, and as a result, these states have high poverty ratio. So in these states, we observe very high poverty ratio due to lack of income for the people. Then coming to the next point, economic inequalities. See, it is there and it exists in almost all the countries. The wealth distribution is unequal. In some areas, wealth is concentrated more. Some people are very rich, some people are poor, and due to these economic inequalities, the wealth distribution is not equal. And actually, it's not possible also to equally distribute the wealth, because see, the wealth generation, the income creation also depends upon our set of skills, etc. As we get more education, we get more income, we get more salary. Likewise, many points are there in this. So economic inequalities, due to this also there is poverty. Next point, eighth one, vicious circle of poverty. Vicious means bad, bad circle of poverty. Now what is this circle of poverty? It's very simple point. I give it to you straight. See, a person is poor, lack of income. Due to lack of income, doesn't get good healthcare facilities, doesn't get good education, good communication, doesn't get a top class infrastructure, we would say rather. And because of that, again what happens is, due to less education, again the person is not able to get good job, then again he will get less income. So this is how they are trapped in their circle of poverty, vicious circle of poverty. See, this circle can be break, but for that we need to put in a lot effort. Then only we can break this vicious circle of poverty in our country or in any society for that matter. So that's it for today. There are many more causes of poverty, but from exam point of view, this much is more than enough. I repeat the points. Population explosion, slow economic growth. Third one, unemployment and underemployment. Then inflation. Then inaccessible infrastructural facilities. Then comes regional imbalance. Then economic inequalities and vicious circle of poverty. So that's it for today. If you find it useful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks for watching.